Indian markets continue to hit record high levels every single day. It is definitely the vaccine optimism that's keeping the markets buoyant. And yes, it's the month of December, so markets are cheering that this year is definitely coming to an end, looks like it. But let's get going with which are the stocks that were moving in trade today. And first up, let me talk about Central Bank of India. That particular stock surged most in 7 weeks in intraday trade. The board of directors will be meeting on December 11 to consider an issue of Basel III compliant Tier 2 bonds. Also, Central Bank of India is surging for a 10th straight session. It's the longest winning streak in 6 years. Other stock that is surging in trade is Mukand. The stock has surged most in about 9 months after the company informed the stock exchanges that it plans to transfer leasehold land and structures for about 679 crore rupees. The stock has surged over 110% in the last 52 weeks and has gained about 28% in the last 5 days. Prestige Estates stock has hit a 9-month high intraday. It snapped 4-day losing streak. The Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of certain assets of Prestige by affiliates of Blackstone Group. The stock is up about 13% in the last 30 days. V2 Retail, that stock has hit upper circuit of about 5%. Antique Stock Broking has maintained a buy stance on the company with a target of about 138 rupees per share. They are saying, Antique is saying, that the channel checks as well as interaction with the management suggest that the retail offtake has been strong during the festive season. Also, Antique has upped their EBITDA estimates for FY22 and 23 by 58% and 50% respectively for V2 Retail. If you look at the stock, it surged about 100% in 1 month itself. If you look at the way how the stock is performed in the last 1 month, you will only see 3 days where it has actually declined in the 1 month session. Let me move on now. And Heritage Foods is another stock that is surging in trade. It's surged about 20% intraday. That's most in over 10 years. The company has sold its entire holdings of 17.8 million shares in Future Retail for 132 crore rupees. The company will be using the proceeds to repay the term loans. The stock is up about 18% in the last 5 days. It's up 25% in the last 30 days. Another stock that is buzzing in trade today, that is Yes Bank. The stock has surged about 9% in trade. The Brickwork ratings is upgraded Yes Bank's Tier 1 subordinated perpetual bonds rating. The rating upgrade actually factors in improvement in capitalization ratio of the bank, strong shareholder base, and experienced board members. This is what Brickwork rating is saying about Yes Bank. Apart from that, you have a couple of stocks that are buzzing. Karnataka Bank is jumped to its highest level in about 9 months. You have Praj Industries that's surging about 8% in trade. It is most in about 4 months. You have PVR, that's a particular counter, is one of the beneficiaries if there is a vaccine. So that PVR is up about 8% in trade, most in almost 5 weeks. You have Inox Leisures that is up most in about 10 weeks. So these are the way, these are the stocks that are moving in